What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. Today's another fantastic day in Coronaville. We're doing something fun again. Everybody decided to be a great time to head down to the Circuit of the Americas racetrack, and they're having a food drive so we can donate some food, and then they're going to let us drive around the track, and we're going to get a big bunch of Volkswagens together. We're going to cruise on in and try to do the pack thing around the track like we're actually racing. Speed up the footage, it'll look pretty mint. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna drive over there and we're gonna meet the gang. Let's go. Okay, checkpoint number 1, rally point, whatever. We're a lot of cars. God, there's so many. We're like maybe a mile away from the track. We're all getting together, and we're all gonna try and roll in together and stay as a pack and regroup in the parking lot. I think one more time, and then they'll let us come through. So let's walk around the parking lot a little bit, see some of these cars, and then we'll get going. I think there's even some more air-cooled stuff that's already in there waiting for us. So hopefully we can have enough time to set up all the cameras. I'm gonna have like 3 cameras around the car and for the bus, a couple on some other cars. Try and get lots of footage of this for you guys. So we'll be back. That was fun, but not as cool as we thought it was going to be. They didn't let us group up, which is kind of a bummer. I did get to have Mr. Callahan in front of me for about half the lap. He caught up and got around me, so at least we get to watch a car go around the track. Pretty fun otherwise though. I mean, it looked like they had tons of food donations, lots of money donations. The line is like, it's like being in traffic on a racetrack. That's exactly what it is. 20 miles an hour was the speed limit, but I don't think we broke 5 the whole time. Pretty neat though. We did see Jared's convertible broke down on a flatbed somehow right at the top of turn 1. He didn't even make it around the track. That's kind of weird. We'll have to find out what happened. But it looked like everybody else made it out. We're in the exit line now. Take a picture real quick of Matt's car. Trying to manage 3 cameras and drive. Tricky. Anywho, we're gonna make it out of here. Maybe we'll regroup with the gang and see if we can get a good little cruise back to the north side. So we'll see.